Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful rib stitch using half double crochet. To do that stitch, first we will start with a slip knot. You can put any number of chain. After doing the chain, it looks like this. So next you are going to work in the third chain from the hook. The loop which has the hook will be the first chain, second chain, and this is the third chain. The third chain you are going to do a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This is what we say it as half double crochet. Next stitch half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So likewise you will be doing half double crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. After doing half double crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Now for next round, do chain 1, turn your work. So if you see here like V-like structure here, so from this round onwards we'll be working only on the back loops. So if you see here, this is the front loop, this is the back loop. So we'll be taking the back loop and you're going to do half double crochet. So this will be the turning chain which we did now. So that chain we are not going to work. From the next chain you're going to do half double crochet by taking the back loops. Half double crochet by taking the back loops. Half double crochet by taking the back loops. Likewise, you are going to complete this row by doing half double crochet by taking the back loops. After doing them, it looks like this. So if you see here, you can see a rib-like structure here. For next round, chain 1, turn your work. Same way, you are going to do half double crochet in each stitch by taking the back loops. So we are going to do half double crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch by taking the back loop of each stitch. So after doing them, it looks like this. You can see a rib-like structure here. If you turn here, you can see a rib-like structure here. So this is how we have to do them to get a rib-like structure when we are working using half double crochet. This is how the ribbing looks when we are working using half double crochet. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.